Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow sharing your posts and answers on the Discover feed on the ASKfm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Then at the top on the left side you can find this profile icon, so tap on it. Then click on the settings button on the right side in the middle. Tap on account, which is the third option. And then you should scroll down a bit, and here you can find this allow showing my answers on the Discover feed option that you can easily enable if you tap on this button next to it on the right side. So as you can see, it has been turned on. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.